In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Base44 project quickly and correctly. This is a simple process, but there is one important thing to know first. You need an active subscription to do this. So if you're trying to export a project and the option is missing, that's usually the reason why. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Base44 and go to the project that you want to save. Make sure you're inside the correct project before you continue, because the export option will apply to that specific project only. Once you've opened the project, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a three-dot menu there. This is where Base44 keeps extra actions and project options. Click the three dots to open the menu. In the drop-down, you'll see an option that says Export Project as Zip. That is the option you need if you want to save your Base44 project in a downloadable zip file. Click Export Project as Zip, and Base44 will begin preparing the export for you. Depending on the size of the project, it may take a few moments to generate the file. Once it's ready, download the zip file and save it to your device or cloud storage. That zip file contains your project export, so keep it somewhere safe if you want to back it up or transfer it later. And that's it. You've now saved your Base44 project as a zip file. Again, just remember that you need a subscription to access this feature. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.